Hello viewers, Gemini now added to Google Map. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Gemini option not showing in Google Map. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings, and then scroll down. Now go to privacy and security option, and then scroll down. Now go to microphone option. Now enable Google Map microphone permission. Just enable Google Map microphone permission, and then go back to home screen. Now go to App Store. Now search Google Map. Search for Google Map. Now update your Google Maps app in latest version. After completing update process, now open Google Maps and then tap on profile icon. Now scroll down and go to settings option. Now go to navigation option. Now scroll down. Here you can see Gemini option. Go hands free with Hey Google. Just turn on this option. Again tap on turn on. Now go back to Google Maps and see Gemini option showing now. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.